It's Anfa, and you're watching a random live stream. And I've spent the last 13 minutes talking to myself because I thought I was streaming and I wasn't. All right. Yeah. I guess that's that's my health current situation kicking in. Yeah. So I'm sick. And I've planned to make a regular monthly live stream today, but I wasn't able to do that. And first I thought I'm not going to be able to do it for one reason. Turned out that reason wasn't even a concern because some bigger reason happened that also made it impossible for me to make this monthly live stream today. And that reason is I'm sick and I don't feel very well. So I thought I'm gonna try and make a live stream today, but I don't have high expectations for it, and it's not a regular monthly live stream. I'm not gonna like try to adhere to the formula or do anything fancy because I don't feel very well, so I need to keep it low. Yeah, but welcome. I wanted to try out making a live performance based on loops. I wanted to use Giada. Let me show you what Giada is. This is Giada, this program here. It's an open source multi-platform live looper which supports MIDI and audio loops. And I have been looking at it before, but I haven't used it before in larger extent. And I thought, let's just dive in and try and make a live music performance with it. Just like a live act, design a live act or something. Yeah, and this is it. I can't say how long this stream is going to take. It may be 3 hours or maybe 30 minutes because I may just feel very bad in a while and I'll need to go and lay down. So please don't have high expectations and just let's have some relaxed fun. Hopefully maybe make something cool and learn something about live loopers, open source live loopers. Okay, so I'm going to run you down through what I've done so far because I've been like, I thought I've been streaming for 15 minutes. I haven't been. I just was talking to myself, it turned out. So I've run Giada, which is the sequencer. I'm going to use it to play and pause different MIDI sequences. And I've also started Carla Patch Bay. Carla Patch Bay is a version of Carla that... oh, where is it? Ha ha ha. Come here, Patch Bay. Show yourself. Oh, there it is. So Carla Patch Bay is... actually, I don't need this at all. Carla Patch Bay is a version of Carla that exposes a single unit to the outside world. So in Jack server, this is the Carla Patch Bay thing. Oh, wait. Which one is it then? Oh, I don't know. Is this... Wait, what? No, that's a different one. Okay, no, this is a different one. Okay. This. Yeah, this one here is what the Jack server sees. Just a single client, 2 audio inputs, 1 MIDI input, or events input, and 2 audio outputs and 1 MIDI output. And inside of that single thing, I have a patch bay that I can fill up with plugins and play with them. So what I want to do is, oh, one thing I forgot to do. So I have Giada. Giada is going to send MIDI data to this Carla patch bay. And also Giada needs my keyboard, my MIDI keyboard to send its MIDI to that. But I also need the keyboard to send, what the hell? The signals directly to Okay, what's going on? Directly to the Carla patch bay as well, because I want to be using the, you know, MIDI CCs to control the plugins live. So the loops are playing, but I'm going to be modulating the effects and making the sounds evolve and, you know, all that fun stuff. Sweeping the filters and the like. Hopefully, let's see how much fuel I got in me. By the way, can you hear me? Can you see me all right? Are you guys there? I'm not sure because YouTube says there's 0 concurrent viewers, but I think on the graph it says there's 24. Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm not showing my face because I didn't shave in a while and I don't look very good. Also, I'm sick. And also I wanted to have you see the keyboard because I don't have a second camera. I could use my phone, but that's going to introduce a lot of latency, and I'm going to touch the keyboard after you hear the sound change, so that's going to be... bleh. No, not good. And the face cam is not really needed for what I wanted to do today. So I'm going to be a little talky-handy. I'm going to be using a lot of expression with my hands to like imitate my face, so you can see that I'm talking to you. Really, this is not like recorded tape. I'm really here. Yeah. Alrighty. So I have my keyboard connected to Carla patch bay, keyboard connected to Giada, and Giada connected to Carla patch bay. So I'm ready to. Also, I have the Carla patch bay connected to, yeah, maybe to my system output so I can hear what I'm doing. That would be nice, wouldn't it? Giada also has audio outputs because it can play audio loops, but I don't want to use that functionality. I want to only use MIDI functionality of Giada. And I've checked out its piano roll editor or MIDI sequence editor. It's not great, but I think it'll do the job. Okay, so here is our empty canvas. Also, what I've done is I've just upgraded Geonkick to a version 2.5. Maybe you've heard that Geonkick suddenly, a few days ago, suddenly was announced as no longer developed or maintained. However, the creator has taken that back after a reaction from the community. And I'm not sure if he also released some changes after that, like updated this synthesizer. I don't know. Like, to me, it was really sad news because Geonkick is just... it's the best drum synthesizer we have, and seeing it being like like, I understand that anybody can just abandon a project at any time because, you know, nobody has any obligation to maintain a project, especially if they don't earn any money from it. But from what Geonkick's author wrote, I got the impression that he thinks that the tool is not useful for musicians or it's not valuable, and he thought it's just a toy and not a real tool. And I strongly disagree. Geonkick is a real tool, and I'm doing work with Geonkick, and I've been doing client work with Geonkick, and it saves me so much time and so much fine-tuning because it's designed to do one thing, and that is drum synthesis. And of course I can use Zenat SubFX for that to get similar results, but Zenat SubFX is never going to evaluate the envelopes as precisely because it has to make sacrifices to be able to support a lot of voices and performance. Geonkick can synthesize or regenerate the sample in the background and can evaluate the envelopes with single sample precision. And that's very important for drums because that gives you snappy envelopes and that gives you just this clean sound. something that is closest to analog. That's the good side of analog sound. The bad side of analog sound is noisy, distorted, unreliable, doesn't hold tuning, etc. The good side is smooth as frick, because there's no stair-stepping, no quantization, nothing like that. Yeah, I see you guys also sharing words of support for Geonkick. I really hope Geonkick is not gonna die, because that would be a real shame. And I do understand there's some technical concerns. For example, that it's maybe not efficient with memory. But I don't give a crap. It gets the job done. And if I have to sacrifice a bit more memory, I'm willing to do it. Really. It does the thing so good. I don't care if it eats like 50 megs of RAM. I can handle that. I have 32 gigs. Yeah, of course, I'm a little bit exaggerating. I'm sure it's not going to eat 50 gigs of RAM. Also, I would probably notice. But really, most of the times I don't need more than one instance for a project, but it gets the job done so well. And I don't even need velocity layers or only that kind of deal. Like, sure, it's going to be cool, but the best thing is that I can super precisely tweak my sounds, and they are synthesized, but they are also very high quality, and I have immediate feedback. Sure, I could like slave over a bunch of samples and export them and make an SFZ file and use that, but where's the fun in that? I don't have time for this crap. I want to slap some sounds together, tweak it to make it perfect, and voila, and Geonkick does that, and that's great. And then I polish the sound a bit, and it's production ready. I could use different tools, but I don't want to. Geonkick is a tool, it's not a toy. Yeah, sorry about that. I really don't want to hear Geonkick is not a tool, especially from its creator's mouth. So, Yuri, if you're listening, man, your synthesizer is an important tool, and yeah, if you need to abandon it, I totally understand it. Maybe you need to focus on other things in your life. I totally get it. But don't you say it's not a tool, or it's not useful to musicians. That is straight out not true. All right, let's get back to making music then. So I updated Geonkick. Let's load it up. It's version 2.5. And what it has is, it has a 16 outputs, stereo ones. Let's, okay, let's first maybe add a MIDI splitter. Synthpod, MIDI split. Yeah, could be this. Which one should I go? Carla? Hey, let's go with Carla's patch bay mode cannot work with plugins that have multiple MIDI ports. Sorry. Oh, what? Oh, that's gonna be a problem. No, that's key split. That's not gonna save me. Oh, that's gonna be an issue. Synthpod MIDI splitter 2. Oh, wait. Ooh. Gonna have to use a bunch of channel filters. Channelize. What is this then? Channelize. Channel. Okay, so just gonna select the MIDI channel, and okay, that's gonna do it. Great. We have it. Audio input, I'm not gonna use that. Audio output, I will. Okay, so MIDI input, I'm gonna send it to Channelize, and I'm gonna also save this thing. Maybe let me find a good place for that. For live 2020 1108. Okay, and for random live. This is not the actual proper live. Okay, Carla, save it, and B Music says Anfa is live. Surprise! Surprise! Welcome, B Music. Oh, I totally need to use your plugins. That's gonna be great. They are very well suited for this kind of stuff. What I want to do, I think. So now I can use one of the MIDI channels. And actually, I do want to use MIDI channel 1. I know the general MIDI is like, it's just silly. I don't get it. Why MIDI channel 10 is drums? All right, let's maybe use MIDI channel 10. Okay, let's comply to the convention. Now, I would really could use a mixer in here. I don't know if there's a plugin that could do as a mixer. Matrix mixer 8x8. AMS mixer 8 channels. Stereo. Actually, I don't need stereo because this is AMS mixer 8 channels. Ah. Okay. That will do. All right. So this is going to be kick, snare, hi-hat, stuff. Yeah, that should do. Okay. So that could be like the drums. I'm gonna maybe start renaming these. And this is risky because I had Carla crashing when I renamed channels. Actually, I think I'm gonna correct the... I'm gonna try and tweak the camera view a little bit to maybe get a better shot. Yeah, I think I'm using a little bit too much space. Like this is a little bit better. And give me a second. Alrighty. Okay. Maybe like that. Yeah, okay. So it doesn't take up too much space. Atakoman says, how? What do you mean? All right, so we have this AMS mixer, 8 channels. That's going to be our drum mixer. Let's rename it. Drums. I wonder if I can use square brackets to like mark what like is this for. I'm a little bit afraid that it's going to be like treated as an abnormal name and crash Carla or whatever. Let's try it. I don't know. All right, it did go through. All right. Let's rename this to drums. We're getting somewhere. We're creating buffer 512. God, I wish that were me, says Arthur Olivier Reis. That's like a semi-safe buffer. Like yeah, I may need to jump it up, move it up to 1024 or 2048 if things go bad. Hopefully they won't, but we'll see. Alrighty. Okay, so we have drums named. Oh, by the way, I believe there is a new setting for the sweet canvas size. The canvas size is now huge. Also, I think the side panel has a minimap, and I'm gonna need that. Yeah, let's keep the minimap. Maybe I'll move this. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna move this here. The key display. Okay, 95 BPM. Why is that here? I didn't set that. Oh, what did it get? Oh, now it's 120. I don't know. I don't know why. Excuse me. Radio Jim says, I'm at work so I can't chat log, but I just wanted to say thank you for all your content, Anfa. I mostly used Acid and Reason, but I'm trying to go fast and you've helped so much. Oh, wow, that's so nice. Thank you. I'm really glad to read that. Thanks. I hope you can still enjoy the stream and my little chatter. I hope I'm not gonna distract you at your work. But if your work involves a lot of waiting, or is like you're doing some stuff that doesn't require your full attention, Well, some work requires you some work requires a distraction actually, and then you're more effective. All right, so we have a lot of space on the canvas right now. You see, this is all our land. This is no man's land. We can populate this with our musical vision. So I think we should start by getting a kick drum going. And we'll do that by opening this lovely Geonkick interface. Oh my goodness, it's so gorgeous. It looks better. It's, whoa, my goodness. We've got new buttons here. Ah, we've got a mixer interface here. And you can mute and solo. Ah, and we can preview. Oh yeah. Did you hear that? Yeah, you did hear that. That was a sine wave. Whew, my goodness. When did he did this? Like, this looks so much more sleek. And oh, and we have these switches here, and I like it. Samples. Oh, we have a hey, nice. Ah, there's a kit I made. Wait, maybe I've got to use it. Kit alpha tutorial. Oh wow. Let's see controls. Ah, this is controls. Okay. Holy snap! Yeah, why? That's a huge kick. I must say that's a nice 808. I forgot making it. Actually, why not use that? Yeah, let's use it. Maybe I'm gonna just change it a little bit. I want to make it shorter. So oscillator 1, oscillator 1 to oscillator 2. Ah, so this is enabling it. Okay. It's changed a little bit, but I like the new look. And I liked that it's... By the way, maybe it's scalable now. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, it doesn't like being scaled. Alright, never mind. It's not a big deal. Oh, I'm obscuring part of the interface. You know what? I'm going to shrink my little keyboard even more. Because it's really not that important. Actually, not important at all. And I don't want to obstruct the interesting stuff. B-Music says, it looks like you really like big projects today. Oh, it looks like a really big project today, Alpha. It's not a project yet. It's an attempt. Oh, here we can play the sound too. Nice. And the export options. Okay, nothing changed here. I can change the seed with this. Alrighty. Can I change the name here? No, I think I need to type in the kit. Alright, so A4 is the note for the kick drum. So we need to get our... you know what? I'm gonna maybe also turn down everything a bit and see if this actually affects it. Yeah, it's all quiet, more quiet. That's good, that's good. I don't want to, like, blow my eardrums. Now let's go to Giada. So here is Giada, and I actually have to move this because Giada uses this part of the stuff. And what we have is we have columns. And we have columns, we can add channels to columns. I've just added a MIDI channel. And now I can right click or click in and do set up MIDI output. And I can, it's enabled on channel 1. I'm going to select channel 10, so this is drums. And close. Now I'm going to click and go edit actions. And this is a piano roll editor. Now we need to find the right note. Now the mouse wheel is only zooming in and out vertically. Let's see if page up, page down. Okay, page up, page down. A4. There it is. And this is our grid size, I believe. It has a velocity lollipop editor, which is nice, but the zooming is very perplexing. I believe if you select this button, it's gonna snap to grid. I'm gonna maybe make it 4. Now, what is the whole bar? I don't know. What is the length of this? Oh, I think this is the whole bar. Is it? Maybe this is the subdivisions of the quarter notes. I don't know. Maybe it's 4 bars long. No idea. We have to play it to see. Okay, so it's activated, but our whole Giada transport is stopped right now. That's why we don't hear anything. Now if I press this thingy... Ha-ha! We've got our kick going! Yes! Now if I click on this play button, it waits for the sequence to end, and then it stops it. That's because our playing and stopping of channels is synced to the tempo. Or the bars. There's a bunch of settings, but I wish there was a bit more like tooltips in this program, honestly, because it's a bit cryptic. Now I've noticed that notes off actually like do get sent, which is great because we do need note offs. So now our kicks are going to be longer. So I don't really want them to be this long. I want them to be a bit shorter. But I'm gonna change this in... also we can mute it for now. Haha, and also we have volume. Oh, funny, it cues the last note. Controls. Actually, we can just scale the length down and see what that does. Oh, that doesn't sound good. Amplitude. Oh, that sounds funny. Where do I change my... Oh, I don't know where do I specify. Oh, okay, so I click on the buttons to select what I want to do. All right, okay. Let's change the pitch envelope a little bit. And maybe back off the distortion. Oh! Wait, does this... Ah, okay, this changes it. Hey, Lifeline says, wow, that's deep. I hope it's not too much. Also, is it just me or I feel like it's a little bit floaty? All right, we can have another note. Oh, I deleted one kick. Also, I think we don't need these notes to be so long now. Woo! Yeah. All right. So that's our basic kick pattern. Let's call it. Kick 01, maybe, and we can give it a key to trigger it. So if I click on it and go set up keyboard input, I can say choose a key of Q on my QWERTY keyboard. And now if I close and I press Q, it's gonna get triggered. This way, when I have more of them, I can very quickly select what I want to be turned on and turned off or toggled in the next bar. Oh, now I see where the tempo comes from. Giada uses 95 by default. What is this, by the way? I have a... I have the hi-hat pattern in my mind, but I don't know how to... Oh dear. I can't delete this. Oh wow, did it freeze? No, it just asks me. It just showed it. Yep. Clone this. I don't like that it spawns the dialogues on my second screen. Let's change the key to W. I guess. I don't have yet a convention. How do I release myself from grid? Pizza-loving nerd. Alpha, what is your opinion on Nine Inch Nails? I never became a huge fan. I've had a time when I listened to some of Trent's work, and I'm also very impressed by the remix community that he's created around his band. I think that's really great. He's publishing stems and making competitions for people to just remix his songs. That's really good. I want to swing in. Also, maybe there's some other hi-hats. Hi-hats, give me hi-hats. Give me high. Give me hats. What the hell, there's no more in this drum set? Kinda not believe it. Maybe I should record this, because I might not be able to sequence it in this piano roll later, because it's not perfect. Am I feeding MIDI to Giada also, or just from MIDI Giada? Oh no, I'm feeding MIDI into Giada, so I should be able to record MIDI in it. Okay, now I'm manually like playing notes. Maybe I can find something on... No. No, I can't play this. Oh my goodness, it's gonna take me forever to figure out. Forever to figure out. Hey, why isn't this playing? Oh, what the? Wait, are these linked? I just... What? Channel 10... is clone? Does clone mean I'm gonna... Like, the data is linked? What is going on? Hey, that's weird. Pizza Loving Nerd says, I was just wondering if you were a fan because I can see some resemblance between some of the songs in the Nine Inch Nails, Hesitation Marks and Eternal Message. That might be purely coincidental. So I have listened to Nine Inch Nails before making that album. So it could be a subconscious thing on my end. Hey, what's going on? Is cloning a sequence actually making it linked? That's not what I wanted. I'm gonna I'm gonna try and redo this. Okay, I think I know where to start with this rhythm. Maybe I can record and like overdub. Huh. I don't know how to record in this. Okay, I've recorded something. Not pretty, but it's recorded. All right. If I were a very good controlist, I could just play my way around on this thingy and have a groove going in no time, but I'm not used to that kind of workflow. Okay, we need to take it slowly, but I think it snapped my performance to grid because I'm not playing this well. Can I overdub? What these do plugins? What does these two do? I don't know. Okay, I think I'm not going to be able to create what I have in my mind, but I may be able to create something interesting overall. Yeah, and maybe we should go for that. Let's create another one. Call it snares, maybe? Snares, everyone. And give it a key of E. I'm thinking I could... I don't know. I'm not really sure what I'm doing. I'm just playing with this and experimenting. MIDI output. Channel 10, please. Okay, what else can we do? All right, let's record this thing. At least try. Alrighty, something's going on. Oh, I know what's going on. There's more sounds in this Geonkick preset. I just didn't route them to the mixer. Yes, that's why I didn't hear anything. See, there's much more sounds. I just didn't route them all because I thought, wow, when I'm gonna synthesize all that. That's the reason I'm not having all the sounds in my palette. I'm using the left channels only. I get some TR-909 vibes from these drums. I don't know why. I think I'm gonna try and make something with this. Let's maybe mute these two. Oh wait, does W? Okay, didn't work. Kibidaba jibadoop the bay, shabadiba doobadoobadookie. Snare 02, maybe. Snare. channel 10, channel 10, channel 10. Alright, let's play more. So I'm gonna hit W and E. This is industrial. All right. So, oh, we don't have a key assigned to this. Keyboard input, what's going to be D, because it's the same group as snares. Now, by pressing different keys, you can make combinations. Okay, I'm really bad at this so far, but I think I'll improve. Let's hope, at least. I think we need some synthesizer going on, some melodic stuff. I think the second column should do it, and maybe just make a bass for channel 1. Call it bass. I don't have any idea what to do yet. I'm gonna try maybe record things more than sequence them. That might do better. Also, I think I need more channels in my mixer, so I'm gonna insert another one and call it drums M2. Yep. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I'm also going to turn this down to 0.40. Yep, I remember that correctly. Actually, why do I need this thing? I have a mixer inside of Geonkick. What the hell am I doing? I'm silly. Like, what the hell? Ah. Lifeline says, I need to sleep. Good luck, Anfa. Please take care. Will do. Thanks, and have a good night. Pizza Loving Nerd says, I'm ashamed. I do all my music production info through mobile. I'm a disgrace to Linux community. Don't say that. Try to encourage yourself with positive things. Maybe like think, hey, maybe I can up my game and liberate myself from image lines stuff. And also, like, I don't agree of like being Linux purists, because that leads to no one using Linux, because no one is purely gonna use Linux. Only super boring people who are sociopaths are gonna do that then. Or me. I'm not boring or a sociopath, but I do use Linux as much as I can only. But, you know, we shouldn't be excluding people just because they are using proprietary software. We should try and help them jump over to the free software side. And not by making fun of them or trying to make them feel worse. No, but just by showing them what it's like here, and maybe they will feel the benefits. Like, I don't think it's a good idea to look down on people who use proprietary software and say, oh, you peasant. I'm thinking about deleting these mixers and just routing this directly there, but maybe they'll stay. Like, there's no pain, no hurt in having them here, actually. I think I want to try and maybe... Golden Child said, did you just say you were not boring? Lol. B Music says, I used Windows today. Unbelievable. All right, let's make a bass synthesizer, and I really want to play it with Odin too. Let's maybe clone this thingy. Here we have it. Call it bass. Gonna make it give me channel 1. Maybe this single MIDI channel thing is actually gonna help us keep things more organized. Also, am I too quiet under the music, or is the music too quiet under me? I don't know. So I didn't see you guys complain so far. Hopefully then it's good. I also upgraded Odin 2. Ooh! And I get this. Well now. Okay, change of plans. Odin doesn't load. What I was gonna use? Surge, I guess. I'm not sure which version. VST3? I think VST3 is gonna give us the least trouble. At least let's hope. Okay. Gonna root the... It's making sounds already. I'm going to turn it down before I connect it to the output, because I just don't want to have sounds being very loud. Okay, let's turn it on. Wait, what's that? I don't get it. How does it come from? Where is its sound coming from? Is this meaning I don't map any channel? What the... What the hell? What the hell? Panic. Where's the panic button? I don't see it. Where's the panic button when you need it? There's no panic button where you need it. There's no panic button where you need it. Where's the panic button where you need it? There is no panic button in this synth. That's terrible. Okay, why doesn't it filter the channels? I think it just gives me all the channels. Why? I wonder also if I can MIDI control channel. Huh. I don't get it. What's going on? Okay, let's see what's happening in Giada. Oh, they sent to MIDI channel 10. Oh dear. Actually, that's more of a kick than a snare. I need to correct that sound. Yeah, let's go back to Geonkick and see what... Oh yeah, that's a kick. There's your problem. I'm going to make a trick. I'm just gonna high-pass this kick. And I'm gonna turn it down. And now it's not a kick anymore. It's a snare. Ha 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 ha. Gotcha. Didn't see that coming, did ya? Yeah, why does channel filter is not working? I think maybe there are some Oh, you know what? I don't know. I think I need to go the route of deleting this. I'm gonna save the project, by the way. Also, I'm gonna save the Giada project too. I need to find the same directory. Whoop! Oh my goodness, it's not making it easier. Oh, I can't type. Wow, I need to click through. Holy smokes, that's... What? God. Oh my goodness, no. Look at this. How do I select a pad? Like, oh my goodness, I need to click and then it's gonna take a while to oh my, that's terrible. Okay, let me search for this. There's a lot of trash in here. Okay, got it. And now I want to call it Giada. Okay, yes. Okay, it's saved. Woo! Well, first I double clicked and my root folder for project files and it just saved in there. I thought it's not gonna be possible to do it at all. Okay, I think this is good. I'm gonna delete this. All right. Yep. Now I'm gonna add another one. MIDI channelize. 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 Yeah. Channelize 1. Okay. Now let's rename it to bass and see if our freaking holy smokes, it's still doing this. Or maybe it's just... No, it's not filtering the channels. Why? Why? Why are you giving me all the channels? I don't need all the channels. MIDI note channel filter. Simple channel filter, maybe this one will do? Is it too much to ask? It's too much to ask. Is it too much to ask? Is it too much to ask? Is it too much to ask? Alright, so I think mystery is solved. This plugin just doesn't work at all. It's dummy. It's bullshit. Sorry. It just doesn't. And I crashed Carla. There you go. Segmentation fault. Not my fault. Yeah, not nice. That's not nice. Okay, let's load the project again. And there you go. And we're back. Yeah, the good thing that I saved. You see, let's try and now maybe first disconnect this. Maybe it doesn't, I don't know, it doesn't like deleting plugins that it has connected. And now it didn't crash. Okay, so first lesson of the day. MIDI channelize does jack shift key, but MIDI simple channel filter does work. So we're gonna use this one instead. And let's give us channel 10. The drums are on. And we need another one for the bass. Save the project. Remove this. I'm gonna rename that bass. Oh, drums, I mean. Okay. Now we can do things. And actually, oh, I should be able to just play. And I am. Let's make it a good tempo sync. Okay, I want to record this bass line of a single note. Can I get a MIDI input? Yeah. Can I get a MIDI input? Yeah. I think I recorded 2 takes once. Yes, I recorded 2 takes and 1. Oh, it's loud. I need to remove all of that. Oh. What? Alright, we have a super simple bass line. Super simple bass line, yeah. Now, I'm doing this because I want this to be procedural noise making. I switched the LFOs to free run, which means they do not reset with every note. I want to give them some envelope so they have a little spike. Also, we don't need more voices than one. Ha! Oh, I do sound so much cleaner. That's interesting. Bo Diddley says, I'm using the same microphone, I just changed its placement. It's overhead now. It's up here. Ooh, here's the mic. Yeah, my image changed cleaner because I'm sick. Kinda liking this bass. But I do want to give this FM sound also a bit more motion. I wonder. Oh, yay! There's a way to smooth it out. Oh, that's so cool. Haha. Turning on the wave shaper. I think we need a little bit of noise and also a stereo path, signal path. Let's make the noise quieter. I'm gonna turn this bass down a little bit because I think it's a bit too loud. I mean, a bit of noise. Can also play with the filter 1. Malakalsi says, "Hi Anfan, and thank you for your great work." Thanks! I was wondering, can you automate parameters with this setup? Do you mean manually control them with a physical controller, or like create automation patterns that these parameters gonna follow? I'm not sure. Maybe Giada has MIDI CC automation. I don't know. Maybe it has it. Let's check it out. I'm learning this stuff as I go along. I'm like, okay. One thing is, I'm a little bit afraid this patch might get lost if I close the UI, because that sometimes happens. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna store this. Okay, let's call it date. And bass. So now if it crashes, we can restore it. Oh, it didn't break. That's nice. Good. Let's see if Giada has automation. L'automation. Maybe I'm gonna attach it to key. Velocity, velocity. I don't know, maybe it's some cryptic stuff in here. Hey, but if I record, maybe I can just record. Just try and record a MIDI CC movement and see what happens. Does it have any messages in there? Oh, it does! Haha, something happened. No, what? No. I don't know what this is. It's not velocity, that's what I know. You know what? I think it's... let's delete that and answer yes to that question. Let's make a new one. Let's use one of the knobs to control the bass patch, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna assign a macro. So MIDI control channel 1, and what is this? Okay, macro 1. Let's MIDI learn it to this knob, MIDI channel 22. Okay, now we have it. Now we have this learned in Surge. Let's check if it works. Yeah, we can do this. Now I can, for example, I wonder if I can control like, yay! Yep, so I can control the depth of other LFOs with this macro now. One thing I'd like to try is... which one are the sound effects? Is this a sound effect? Doesn't seem like... Which is the sound? Oh, this is the sound effect. Ah, this is the insert. Ah, that's the sound. Okay. Maybe then I muted this and use I don't know. And free run. Okay, does it TNO says, wait, Surge is on board sound effects? I didn't notice these. My beloved Citrus, its crown is slowly being removed from its head. Sorry, mate. Let's oh yeah, I think I want. I think I just want a knob for the cutoff, and I'm gonna just use this thingy here, and the second filter, and I'm gonna learn it. Ah, not this one. Right-click, edit, and here macro 2, MIDI learn, and this. I wonder if now I can record my performance on the controller into Giada. And yeah, because I guess the ideal workflow would be to have some loops prepared and then record some things live as you're performing your live act, of course, but not have to, like, you know, sit down with a mouse and click in stuff in the piano roll editor. I guess the piano roll editor is kind of like an extra. So that's also, I think that's why it's not very polished in Giada, because it's probably not like the main tool for doing this kind of stuff. I'm gonna call this bass 01 auto 01, bass 01 auto 01. I'm gonna try and record this. Let's see if it happens, if it manages, if it runs. Oh wait, doesn't mean I don't need to have this filter be able to remove my signal completely, I think, because I can do that with MIDI notes. So right about here we have maximum capacity. Okay, now I'm optimizing the range of this parameter, so I'm using more of the limited MIDI CC resolution to actually make a change in here. Alright, let's see if I can record this into Giada. It does work, kinda. I hear some changes. I wish this was longer and more resolution, but we definitely have something going on. Maybe I can increase the resolution of this. Clear actions all. Okay. All right. Let's try this again. Gonna enlarge my view. You can see what I'm doing. This here knob. Let me just shine some light on this thing. This knob. I'm gonna try and record. It kind of works. I mean, it does work, but the time resolution is limited. What if I disable this? Maybe it's gonna help. Yeah, maybe I have the snapping enabled and it just quantizes everything, and maybe that's not good. Let's try it again. No, didn't help. Okay, we're definitely limited by resolution here, and I don't know how to increase this, as also it's not like bound to grid right now. It's just kind of something. So I'm not sure what's going on. It seems like it's slapping a bunch of values onto the same... It is definitely snapping something. I wish I could have this be more like... Is this zoom or something else? Okay, so we can record automation, but it's... I think I don't know how to use it properly. Let's try it once again. Oh yeah, the dialogue. Nah. Yeah, so it's plopping all the values together in some arbitrary time. Maybe there's a setting somewhere to change that. Config? Should I press that button? MIDI. Behaviors. I don't see anything about recording MIDI CCs. I mean, it has a distinctive sound to it. What's up? Oh, it's getting late, isn't it? Huh? Oh. Wanna hear what I'm doing? Man, these drums sound nice. A Tux PFP. What is that? What's a Tux PFP? Profile picture. Oh, that's a profile picture. Okay, that wasn't to me. Could have some alternate bass line. Bass 02. Can I move it? Can I? Oh, I can't. Can I rearrange that? Huh. No, I can resize it. gonna reduce the size of this camera. Yep. I want to make some, yeah. What note is this? It's B. Uh-oh, I'm recording on 2 tracks at once. Not good. Not good. Oh, not good. Where? Interesting things emerge from this, I must say. And the cool thing is, I could actually have all of this stuff to dedicate to my bass, and then I could just change a MIDI channel on my keyboard and send the MIDI CCs on a different MIDI keyboard, on a different MIDI channel, and control different instruments. So I could like jump between MIDI channels and control different instruments. There's so much that could be done with this kind of stuff. I'm probably gonna run out of the keyboard space. There's, huh. QWE R. Oh no. Nah. Okay, I forgot my method about this. I think I can focus. Ah. Nah. I'm bad at this. Let's go this T, I don't know. And this F, because I'm still using the wrong stuff. I'll have some other sound going on, maybe a lead. So, simple channel filter. Let's give it channel 2. Make it surge. Oh. I'm gonna change my keyboard to channel 2. Oh no, that was octaves, not channels. Alright, now I'm playing this patch. Good. Good. Let's go with a super saw. I feel a little bit limited that Giada's patterns are very short. I couldn't record a longer phrase if I wanted. At least I don't know how. What is this? Beats 4 1. I don't know what is this. Maybe I'm gonna say okay and save my project. Yay. Is it saving? Did I just crash it? Ah, no, it's just asking. Alright, let's see what this is. Maybe I can extend my parts. I wish I could make something longer. So what is this? What is this? And this? Ah, that's click. Okay, heard it. It's click. I don't know what this is, though. Or this. Wait. Off. What if I off this thing? Maybe this is the stuff that was, Hey Anfa, are you using a RISC-V computer too? I'm not. I'm using AMD processor. An AMD processor. Are the RISC-V computers powerful enough already and available to the public to be running this kind of stuff? Yeah, maybe I could try and record this automation. Or maybe make a new one. Choppa 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 choppa. Oh, I'm to switch my keyboard back to channel 1. Hey, I think we've got some success. Yeah, just unfortunately I overlaid 2 of these. So let's clear the actions. Okay, so I figured out how to record MIDI CCs at full resolution. Good. Good. Great. Nice. Okay. But what is this thing then? Okay, this is snapping, I guess. Not sure why it goes up to 1/8. Maybe this reduction of MIDI CC density? I don't know. What is this? Or this? Doesn't do anything. Oh, beats. 4x4, okay, 4 quarter notes. Ah, alright, that's what it is. Maybe I can... 2. Oh, that's how I can extend my... That's how I extend my parts, but everything gets progressively longer. And I have empty space everywhere. Okay. It would be cool if I could just have some of them be longer and some not, you know, or if I could just have like a loop marker, because this is kind of useless now. Can't do anything with this. All right, let's make that lead. Oh no, no sample. Actually, maybe if we I could try and record something, just for fun. Okay, it's gonna be outside of my... I'm gonna save this Carla preset, by the way. Here it goes. Yeah, so that's the audio output. And where is the audio input of Giada? Where is its recording ports? Don't see it. Maybe it's gonna spawn them when I start recording? That would be nasty. I don't like programs doing this. Audacity does that, it's terrible. You can never do any routing with it because it's gonna break it every time. Well, I guess we have to check. Edit. Set up global MIDI input. Config. Sound system jack. Input device. Oh, that's the thingy. Okay. Whoa, sweet, sweet segfault. We crashed Giada. All right. Let's run it again. It's still running. Now I need to find the file path because I can't paste it. My goodness, that's terrible. Please make an actually usable file dialog for Giada, or use the... Oh, yeah. I clicked on something weird and it crashed again, or closed, I don't know. Ah, that's no good, UI. I'm gonna shut the bass. File, open, All right. Now if I misclick, it's gonna just close, so that's silly. All right, I got it. I've loaded it. Does it work? So was this? This should be 4/4, I guess. And why is this not? Doesn't want to play? What the hell? What's going on? Something's borked. That's what. Maybe it's like now slave to jack transport, and I need to. Yeah, it's slave to jack transport. Or is it? I see. Maybe now I need to connect it to my Carla rack. Patch bay, I mean. Yep. Oh, why the... Hey, what the f... Oh, the MIDI channels are all set to 1. I mean, yeah, cool, but... Nah. I get it, it's catchy, but that's not what I wanted. If I wanted this kind of stuff to go down, I would not assign my MIDI channels to begin with. I definitely need a MIDI panic on that MIDI channel. I think there was a way to send a MIDI panic from this keyboard. I don't remember what is it. So it was like shift panic. Oh, these two. Oh no, that's something else. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Oh wait, I stopped it. Nah! That's not what I wanted. I completely lost my flow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Shite. Douche. Douche. Ah. Does it overdub? Ah, the zooming is shift key. Ah, how do I scroll this bit? Really not good. Oh, how do I find the notes? Ah, page up, page down. Good. AG Interesting says hello. Hello, AG Interesting. This is an attempt at creating a live electronic music performance using Giada and Carla. I wanted to add a lead line, you may remember, on MIDI channel 2, and that really didn't go far. I'm gonna do something really simple. And I blew it. And did it record? How? How did it record? Why didn't it record? Oh wait, is all MIDI input only on channel 1? Ah, yes, it is. Please record any channel I give you. Okay, thanks. Now that's kind of silly. If I play and record, that's gonna hopefully play it. No, it doesn't. Weird. I don't know what these two buttons do. I don't know why there are two buttons. Huh. Okay, did it record? I think it didn't record. Yeah, it didn't record anything. Let's try again. Yeah, I didn't. Well, now it recorded something, but not everything. It seems like I'm just going outside, out of bounds. What? Stuck notes. AJ Interesting says, what software do you use for this? This is Giada, a loop machine, which supports MIDI. Like, it's like one of not many nice loop machines that support MIDI. And I'm also using Carla Patch Bay to lay out my, not this instance actually, different instance, this one, where the Giada comes in here and I split it to MIDI channels for drums, the bass and the lead. And I wanted to have some more of this lead melody, but my goodness, scroll wheel. Nah, I never used scroll wheel in this. It's so terrible. Actually, this is kind of usable as a melody. I don't need too much. Oh, forgot. TNO says, Alpha, doesn't Giada also support audio looping? It seemed to remember that being the thing, but I'm not sure. Yes, of course, it does. So I'm mostly interested in MIDI. TNO, like hoot hoot, hoot, hoot. Okay. Hoot hoot. Sorry. Oh, no FM depth for me. Why? Because I have this disabled. Weird. Why does this work? Ooh, nice C. I'm gonna make this more interesting by modulating different thingies. Eight whole triplets, 6 whole notes. Nah! The other way around, please. I wanted to jump out sometimes. I'm not sure if it's gonna do that. Oh, it's not gonna create a trigger. Now it might do that. Thoughts on Giada versus Sequence 664 Alpha? Well, I think Giada is a little bit more like expansive because you can also have audio loops and apparently have some maybe more control, but I think Sequence 64 is easier both to control live because it has a fixed layout and you can have different, you can have loops of different lengths, which is really important. And yeah, I think I would be going for Sequencer 66 if I could try it out. I was not able to do that yet, so that's why I'm not. But I wish to try it out. Yeah, I think Sequencer 64 would be easier for me to use. And being able to make your custom keyboard layout is cool and all, but I get really confused, lost in this. T&Ol says, if all else fails, look at the project's GitHub page. I reported my errors, and so far, like, I got some assistance from the developer. I wasn't able to resolve them. I wish there was a binary package for Arch Linux, Manjaro, and a bunch I could just install. Well, so you can see that making live performance is time-consuming, especially if you're not used to doing that. So I would call this a day. I think it's time to end this little experiment here. I think that Surge is performing excellently, Geonkick is performing excellently, Carla is performing pretty okay, and Giada is performing okay. So, to me, the big bummer is the non-variable loop length. A big plus probably is the audio loop playback, which is like possibly more people would use only that than MIDI. Once I get Seq66 to run, oh, you know why Odin doesn't work? Because I didn't install it. I should have removed it first. And what is an opt? Oh, I didn't remove it completely. I just removed the okay. Yeah, that's my fault. Okay, but we played with Surge instead. All right. Now I see why it didn't work. Yep. So I hope you've been having some fun watching me do this kind of weird stuff. And I'm gonna tell you all to stay safe, try out Giada, try out Carla, and Surge if you haven't already. And I'm going to try and make a sensible finale to this half-baked jam. Why doesn't my keyboard trigger more than one thing at a time? Also, oh, why does the bass still play in the background? I think it's a stuck note. Could you stack note please unstuck yourself? Because I want to end the stream and you're making it awkward. Thank you. All right. See you guys sometime soon, hopefully. Take care. Huge thanks to everyone who's watching. Huge thanks to everyone who's supporting me on Patreon and LiberaPay. Thank you guys all so much for your support. It really means a lot to me. And sorry for not being able to do the regular stream. I hope this was fun, at least, and educational. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video or live stream, whatever comes first. Bye.